Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Cook with me. So today I will be making whole wheat choco chip cookies which are made up of whole wheat flour plus jaggery. So it doesn't include any refined sugar or any other unhealthy ingredients. So let's watch. So the ingredients which are required to make wheat chocolate cookies are choco chips, wheat, milk, brown sugar or jaggery powder, cocoa powder, corn flour, baking powder, butter or ghee as per your choice. So the quantity required to make whole wheat choco chip cookies are 1 cup of whole wheat flour, 1/4 cup of milk, half cup of jaggery powder, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, half tablespoon corn flour, half cup of butter or ghee, pinch of baking powder and some choco chips. So let's start. Firstly, I am going to add butter. Now I am going to add jaggery powder. Keep mixing it until it becomes foamy. Now I will add this whole wheat flour. Again we'll mix it with the butter and jaggery powder. The jaggery powder and the whole wheat flour has combined well with the butter. So now we'll add half tablespoon of corn flour. I'm using corn flour for the crunch in the biscuits. Now I will add 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. I'm taking unsweetened cocoa powder. Again mix it. All the dry ingredients have mixed properly, as you can see. Now lastly I will be adding baking powder. Now it's time to add the wet ingredients, and here I am using 1/4 cup of milk. Don't add all the milk in one go. Add gradually and mix it. You can also use your hands to make this dough. Just combine very gently with each other. After 5 minutes of kneading softly, the dough is ready. Now I am going to cover it with a cling wrap and keep it in the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes. So I took out this mixture after 15 minutes and it has set properly. So now we'll start making small balls for cookies. So with the help of this scooper, I'm going to take a small amount of the dough and then make a small ball like this with the dough, and then I'm going to press it like this to flatten it, to give it a shape of a cookie. Now I'm going to place choco chips on top of it. Now I'll make more cookies like this. So I have made more cookies using the same method which I have told you. So let's start baking the cookies. Till now I haven't revealed the surprise part of this video, that I am going to bake these cookies in an air fryer. So enjoy guilt free. Now I am going to place these cookies on a parchment paper or a butter paper. I have kept the cookies in an air fryer. So let's bake it. I am going to bake it on 160 for 10 minutes. Let me check the status after 5 minutes. It is still undone. So let's keep them for another 5 minutes. So after exactly 12 minutes, the cookies are perfectly cooked and ready to serve. Can you look at it? I have kept the cookies to cool down before serving, and I'll show you how crunchy it is. I have stored these cookies in an airtight container like this. You can also do the same so that they don't get soggy after some time. You can eat them till 1 month.